Clean up. Terrible, terrible cleanup. Oh. Damn it. I kind of like that color. I'll put that right here. I think it's got a little bit more use to it. Let me get over here a little bit. Oh, I'm making a mess. Okay, let's go to this, back to here. This is the hardest ones. Yeah, I don't do this cleanup every day. This just happens like when it's that bad, and it was that bad. But I try to clean it up. Like, I don't put it away and like come back to it 5 months later. You know what I mean? And then clean it up. I try to clean it up for the next time I paint. Come on. I'm such a mess of myself. It's everywhere. Push that over there. Get over. Wait. Okay. I don't know if you can hear in the background in the living room watching Leon wash. As his wife. They're funny, I like them. Alright. Oh, I want to get this off. Alright, now what I'll do now is I'll pile. Look at that. Ugh. And of course, with my hands now. Alright, I'm going to get some. Just a little bit. Just drop a little bit on there. Okay, there it goes. Paint thinner. Did I say that in my head and not out loud? Paint thinner. That's not bad. I'm going to be using it tomorrow also, but it was just getting so bad. You know what? I think I'm going to clean this part up too. Yeah. Okay. All right. That's good. Come on. All right. How's that? Nice and clean. Thanks for watching. Bye.